Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to part 2 of my 2025 Christmas home decorating series. So in today's video, I will be decorating our master bedroom for Christmas. But before I get into the decorating, I have to let you know where everything that I will be using came from. Here is everything that I have pulled for the tree. Not sure if I'm going to use all of these items, but this is what I'm going to get started with. So these long stems I got from Home Goods, 75% off their after Christmas sale last year. These I have from Hobby Lobby. These stems came from Ross, had those from previous years. All of these came from the At Home store. I have a variety of ribbon. This one came from Walmart, their after Christmas sale, 75% off. These two this year from Home Goods, not sure if I'm going to use those or not. This is leftover from the At Home store. That's another roll of the ribbon from Walmart. These two I purchased this year from TJ Maxx. These two packs, this velvet with the glitter, I got from Burlington this year. These ornaments here I'm using from previous years. Used these last year in the dining room. The Rachel Zoe, I have these from Marshalls and TJ Maxx previously. These ornaments, the black velvet ones, they are from Michaels. I'm going to have to brush them off. They have flocking all over them. And then last but not least are these jumbo black ornaments. If you remember my family vlog from earlier this year, you saw that I found these at the bin store in Florida. They were $3 a piece, but they are a Target brand. I'm not sure if they carry these this year or not, but you can check and see. So let's go ahead and get started.
Christmas to
So now I'm going in with that black and gold ribbon, and I'm just placing that black ribbon on top of the gold ribbon. I'm not gluing it or anything. You can if you would like to, but this is an inexpensive way that you can use your ribbon to create a different look. So welcome back to all of my existing subscribers. I am so glad that you guys came back to watch another video, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I've gained several more of you guys since my last video. So welcome, welcome, welcome. So right now I'm in my Christmas decorating series, but usually on my channel I share all things lifestyle that includes cleaning, cooking, shopping, mom life, home DIY projects, and more. So I hope that you guys enjoy the content that I put out for you guys. So I know that several of you have probably already finished your Christmas decorating, and some of you have not started yet. Either way, let me know how your decorating went or how it's going. So as a content creator, I feel like I am so far behind, and you guys know why if you have been following my channel for at least the past month. I am super busy. I work full time, so I have to record, decorate, and all the things around my busy schedule. But I am trying to catch up to get all of my decorating done. So if you do not use the larger ornaments on your tree, let this be your sign to go ahead and purchase some, because they take up so much space on the tree, which means that you have to use less of the smaller ornaments, and it makes decorating go a lot faster. So this was day 2 of me decorating. So I am finishing off the base of the tree with this tree skirt that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few years back. And then the reindeer that I'm going to add, I bought those from Z Gallery a couple years ago. How much it may snow, 'cause I've got my love to keep me warm. And what do I care how much it may snow? I've got my love to keep me warm. Oh, winter weather, I love the winter weather, 'cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart. So to finish off this space, I'm going to be using these pillows that I purchased from Home Goods during their after Christmas sale. They're so pretty. And then on the table, I'll be adding a Christmas tree that I bought from TJ Maxx this year, along with a reindeer that I bought from Target a few years ago. For the bedding, I'm going to start off with our duvet cover set that we use pretty much year round now. We love it so much. So I took it apart, washed it, and now I'm just going to be putting it back together.
I need to hear you now. Tingle, tingle, tingle with me now. I got my love to keep me warm. Winter weather, yeah. I love the winter weather. 'Cause Christmas time pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Christmas time is pulling me closer to you. Closer to you. Winter weather, yeah. I love the winter weather. I wanna get to know ya. Please, baby, please, baby, please. Winter weather, get together. Pulling me closer to you.
If you have never used a duvet cover set before, this is really my favorite type of bedding. So what I'm doing here is I turned the duvet cover on the wrong side, place the comforter on the top, tie it together, and what you see me doing is doing a burrito roll. I'm just rolling it up on itself, and then I'm going to flip it inside out and roll it back out. It's so easy. Before I found this method of doing this, these duvet covers were terrible. That's why I never used them. So I decided to give it a try again, and I must say that I love it.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling.
This black quilt set I purchased from Kohl's a couple years ago. I believe Amazon used to carry the same brand, but if not, I will try to link a similar brand.
So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time.
So these black pillows and inserts I bought from Amazon. I reuse the pillow inserts all the time. I just switch the covers out. And then these gold and the cream colored pillows, they came from HomeGoods.
And I want you by my side, darling. So come.
For the decor on the nightstands, I'm just reusing the items that I had from last year. These reindeer came from Target, and then this candle that's in the shape of an ornament came from Michael's. So on my husband's side of the bed, I'll be adding in a black Christmas tree that I bought from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, as well as another reindeer.
Oh, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did. 'Cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. Yeah. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas
This set of diffuser oils I bought from TJ Maxx. Y'all know that I love sand and fog so much, and these oils did not disappoint. My favorite one is probably Starry Christmas, which is the one that I'm going to use, but all of these smell good and they really look good as well.
Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Why you left something for me, yeah, under the Christmas tree. Baby, come home tonight. Oh, let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. I try to figure this out, but I never could. Oh, baby, come home tonight. Let me hold and squeeze you tight, 'cause it's Christmas time.
So that brings us to the end of part 2 of my 2025 Christmas decorating series. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you gained some inspiration from what I showed in today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which will be part 3.